guys, so today for Module 2 you have a sprint. Now you probably remember sprints from last year if you went to a Woodbury school last year. So sprints help get our mind ready for not just the fluency activities that day, but a lot of times also the work that you'll do during the Eureka lesson. Okay, so today is all about adding or subtracting using 2. So let's warm up by counting by 2s, okay? We're going to stop when we get to 20. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Good job. Okay, now that we have that in our brain, let's look at our sprint. Again, this will look familiar to you if you were here last year. So we have our sprint today. It says add or subtract using 2. All right, so it's going to be your job. You'll have 1 minute to fill in as much as you can. All right, so I'm going to start the timer on my phone for 1 minute. Fill in as much as you can. You are not supposed to finish all of this completely, okay? So do not worry. Again, 1 minute to fill in as much as you can. When I say go. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, time is up. Good job. So stop if you have not already. And we're going to start checking over our answers. Now, when we check over our answers, I'm going to read the first column first, okay? See, like we're going in number order. Like I'll start with the answer for 1, then 2, 3, 4, all the way down, okay? What I suggest you do is I suggest you circle the ones that you got correct, because right up here, you're going to have to fill in the number correct, all right? So we will begin that when I say go. Okay, so you see now on the screen that I filled in the sprint myself. So you can look at that to help you. There's also pictures of the completed sprint that you can use to check on your own if you don't like checking with me over this video, okay? This is kind of like a trial run, right? We're seeing what works well and what doesn't as we do this remotely. Okay, so I'm going to read going down the first column right here. I start with number 1 and I go down. Ready in 3, 2, I suggest you circle the answers you get correct. 1, go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, 2, 4. Okay, that's the end of the first column. All right, if you still have some on the second, I will start to read them. If you are all done, do your best to be patient, okay? I know it's hard. I'm going to start the second column right up here with number 23. I'm going to start reading in 3, 2, 1, go. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 44, 66, 88, 66, 44, 22, 0, 22, 44, 66, 88, 666, 444. That is the end of the first sprint. So I'm going to give you time to circle, to count up all of the problems you've circled, and you're going to write the number correct at the top. Do not worry if you don't feel like it's a lot, because you're going to have the chance to work on the same skill in Sprint B. Your goal is always to improve, always to get stronger. Our goal here is never to be perfect, because it is impossible. Okay, we're going to talk about our work for a quick few seconds in 3, 2, 1, 0. What I would like you to do now, with whatever tool you have, maybe you just have a pen like me at home, or you have a highlighter, I want you to look closely for any patterns, okay, and maybe try to highlight, or like I said, circle, or somehow mark it up, okay? Any patterns that you see as you look at the work that you did on this sprint. So for example, I notice we go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. We count forward by 2s for everything that I have highlighted in yellow. But we don't continue that the whole time, right? See, everything I have highlighted in green, we start counting backwards, but also by 2s. We go from 20 to 18, to 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, and all the way down to 0. Then, our yellow pattern, where we counted forward by 2s, continues again for these last 2. Alright? If you noticed a different pattern than me, feel free to comment on our Google Classroom assignment to let me and your classmates know what you noticed, okay? I just did one column just because I don't want this to take too long. This normally won't take this long, it's just because this is our first time this year doing a sprint. Okay. Now, we have Sprint B, okay? So Sprint B, you're working on the same skill, adding or subtracting using 2. Just like before, you have 1 minute to do as much as you can. Your goal is that you'll get more right on Sprint B than you did on this guy that we just filled out, okay? All right. When I say go, you will begin. 3, 2, 1, go. right, time's up. Good job. Okay. Okay, so now we're ready to check over our work. Just like before, I'm going to read in the first column going down. And sorry that it's a little harder to read the answers for this one. For whatever reason, my computer was giving me a really hard time when I was trying to write in these numbers. Okay, I'm going to begin reading in 3, 2. Your job is to circle what you get correct, so you can write the number here. 1, 0, go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, 2, 4. Okay. So if you don't have any on this second column here, write your number correct at the top. If not, keep going, keep listening. We're reading our second column in 3, 2, 1. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 44, 66, 88, 66, 44, 22, 0, 22, 44, 66, 88, 444, 666. So your job is to count up the number correct and put it up top right here. So I'm going to pretend like I'm doing it with you. Like I did it. I'll pretend like I filled it out with you guys and that I'm just thinking of a number off the top of my brain. I'm sorry, that looks really ugly. Let's say I got 18 on sprint B right here. But on our first sprint, I got 10 correct. So my score improved. My score got better. So I had 18 on my second sprint and 10 on my first. So this improvement score here, this guy highlighted in orange, improvement score, that's how many more you got right from sprint B than sprint A. So if I got 10 right on sprint A and 18 right on sprint B, then I got 8 more correct. So 8 is my improvement score. Alright, you're going to fill it out for yours. If you had a hard time following along with me, you can check the pictures on Google Classroom for the answers to the sprint. Alright, good job, mathematicians.